Guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how to make the pattern for the start. Okay, so you'll have to give it your own little vision. You might want to put some flowers on there. You want to make your own flag, but I'm going to show you how to make the pattern. You start off with the 4 seed beads, right? If you watch the English pattern, you know how this works. This is the first 4 seed beads. Next, we're going to add, so let's say that this is where we started. I'm going to cross that one. This is where we started. This is where we step up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is row 2. Okay. We step up right here in the yellow. So that's 1, 2, and then in between the yellow, 1, 2, in between the yellow, 1, 2, in between the yellow, 1, 2, and in between the yellow. And then we step up right here. So we're going to add 1, 2 in between the pink, 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 and then we step up. And I'm going to do that with the next color right here. 1, 2. And then in between the orange, 1, 2, in between the orange, 1, 2, in between the orange, 1, 2, in between the orange, and then we step up. Okay, so that's how it works. And then I've got it here a little bit bigger, and then you just fold it double. Right, and then you add your last row, and your last row starts with the 2 and then in between the brown. Okay, and this is the row that connects the other side with it. So I'm going to do a demonstration now. Let me see, we're going to go and take this one, and we're going to start with the first 4. I'm going to use bronze because I don't have all the colors that I used in Sharpies. So I'm going to start with the bronze, which is the gray right there. Bronze. Double knot. And I'll put that out of my frame for now, and I'll pick it back up when we do the next round. And then with the bronze, you go around one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm sorry I've got dirty fingers, but I've been working in the backyard and I can't get them clean right now. I did my best, I scrubbed. Oh well. And then we got yellow. So let's take some gold for round yellow. And those are 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Picking up gold, gold into the next bronze. And making sure that that's in place. Gold, gold, bronze. Gold, gold, bronze. Gold, gold, bronze. And stepping up in that gold for the next round. Making sure that everything is in place, the correct place. Okay, so we got a round of bronze. We're going to do the pink one now. And then we're going to add round. I got some purple here. I'm going into the green. And the purple is, let me see, the bronze, the gold, the green. The purple is the orange one. And in between the greens, and two more. In between the greens. One, two, in between the greens. It's twisting, you can see it's twisting. Make sure that it doesn't twist. In the right direction. One, two, and two. And when you use these different colors, you can always see where you have to step up, so that's pretty good. Into the green. Into the green. And into the pink, stepping up. Okay. Now let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, one more row. That's the last one, last row, 1, 2. One. Now you can do less rows, of course, also. You don't have to do 5 rows. You can do 3 rows. I think that's about the minimum. 4 rows. I'm just doing 5 rows because you got like a 3mm, and each row is like or 3 centimeters, and each row is about half a centimeter less. So if you want 2.5 centimeters, then you do 4 rows, and if you want 2 centimeters, then you do 3 rows. But I wouldn't go under 3 rows. and then up in the purple. Two pink into the purple. One pink in between there. Another pink in between there. And another pink in between there. And two pink. And another pink. I don't got enough pink. I need two more pinks. You always got to make sure that when you do this that your thread is beeswaxed, or else you're going to be breaking it. One, and stepping up. Okay. And then you fold it. And this is now on the back side, so make sure that this is also on the back. And then we're going to add our last two here to connect the two parts. One, two, three, and four, and five. And now you make another one just like this. Okay, well that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!